Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vision board using Canva. As you all may know, a vision board should display your personal goals or wishes and inspire you to achieve them. So let's get started with Canva and creating your vision board today. So simply just head over to your Canva page, type in poster, and select search. Now remember, your vision board can be whatever size you want it to be and should include pictures or words of inspiration that would encourage you or motivate you to achieve your goals. So once your page is opened up, just head over to Elements. We can type in Grid. So here are all the grid layouts available on Canva. And you can simply select which one suits you and adjust it to suit. For my vision boards, I like to leave a clear part on top where I can put a quote or a reminder to myself or just anything that you want to place there to encourage you to work towards achieving your vision. So I'm simply go on text, select add a heading, carry it to the top. I'm going to put "You got this." Now you can adjust the font style as you choose. There are various free fonts available on Canva, so you can explore to see which one suits what you are looking for. Go on Effects and decide what type of style or effect you would want to have for your call to action per se, or for your statement, for your quote, whatever you should choose to include there. I'm going to just leave it on the background. And then we go into photos. Right, so let's say that you want to ensure that you graduate. You can type in graduate and look for a picture that to you really represents graduation or you completing a particular chapter. I'm going to select this, just drop it in the grid and it should adjust automatically. If it does not, you can adjust it for yourself as well. Let's say you want to be an author. You can look for something that represents that. So I'm going to select the typewriter. Or maybe you just want to go on a cool vacation to relax yourself. You can choose, type in vacation and choose a picture that best suits that. If you don't like your picture, you can always adjust and change it out for something different. by just selecting your preferred image and dropping it into the grid bar. So let's say you're trying to become a healthy eater and you want to do more exercise. You can look for a picture that represents that. You can firstly search for healthy or food or exercise, anything that would allow Canva to provide you with some suggestive photos or wordings. I'm just going to select this option and drop it in there. And maybe you want to purchase a house. You search house and you just drop it there as well. Now, if you want to make your vision board more complex and more detailed, you can do so. Just simply go back into elements. You can add additional grids to your vision board, or you can insert frames. So continue to explore Canva using additional grids and frames to represent the vision that you would want to achieve and how you would want your vision board to look. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.